Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails. Do you like your cocktails to be very heavily alcohol filled? I know I do. Today we're going to make the Long Island iced tea. The Long Island iced tea was invented on a country road used to take people home. West Virginia, County Cavan, Ireland, by an Irishman. Cavan, famous for its greed, its strange markets, and its ability for its people to peel an orange in their pocket. The origin of the story goes, a man by the name of Liam Neeson. Ireland have a lot of Liam Neesons. It's not the Liam Neeson, the one you're thinking of from Sligo, or that other fella in the films. It's Liam Neeson from Cavan. The origin of the story goes that Liam Neeson was invited to a party, and it was an open bar. Bringing a Cavan man to an open bar is always a mistake. When asked, "What will you have, Liam?" he said, that and that. What he meant was everything on the bar. The ingredients he picked were these, and so was born, in County Cavan, Ireland, the Long Island iced tea. This is how it's made. First, you're going to get a shaker, put some ice in it, and have a glass with some ice ready to go. You're going to put in a half shot of all these ingredients, so we're going to go with a half shot of Gordon's gin. We're going to use a half shot of Bacardi white rum. So it's essentially all the clear liquors, or the 5 main clear ones. We're going to use a half shot of triple sec. Triple sec is an orange liqueur. Cointreau is another one that can be used here. And we're going to use vodka. Half shot. And finally we're going to use tequila. Tequila is apparently an optional drink if you want to add it. I'll add it, despite the fact that this is horrible tequila, but sure, look, I'll make it as the recipe goes, as Liam intended it. Half shot. And then I'm going to put in a full shot of sour mix. And give this a shake. And we strain this over ice. And top this drink with Coca-Cola. And you can add a lemon for garnish. Here's one I made earlier. I don't actually drink carbonated drinks, so I can't sample this drink myself. This will be drank by my mother and her friends, the Finnegan family. Enjoy.